So as said earlier, let's dive deeper into the exception and get a better understanding of it. So first, I want to write a code that has an exception or a runtime error. So we figure out how we can solve these runtime errors with what the exception methods. So let's say int, let's assign a to a value of 0. Then let's assign b to 2. And then finally let's assign c to a plus b. All right, so this is a very right code. So let's print out the result, which is c. So we could see that the result will be the addition of a and b. So let's run this code. So from the terminal here, you can see that we have outputted the right result, which is 2. Now, what about a situation where the operation is arithmetically wrong? So let's say b over a. In a situation where we divide b by a, so this is a runtime error because arithmetically this is wrong. But let's run this. You see, so as you can see, we ran this and then we got an error, which is what we can't divide by 0 here, and it's saying that this is an exception in Java.language. You get it? So this is an exception and it's wrong, so the rest of the code will run. So furthermore, if we move on to print, like let's say next code or the next code to be executed, it won't be executed because there's an error. So this is a runtime error and this will cause the whole application to what? Crash. So now in order for us to solve this particular problem, let's clear this first. Then we use the try catch error, which is the exception handler. So let's say try. So in the try catch error, we can say that it should int, let's assign the c to b over a, which is arithmetically wrong. Now, and then after that it should print out the c. So this is an error. We know that definitely this is an arithmetic error. So when this happens, the compiler is going to catch the error and throw it. So the compiler is going to throw the error. So what we have to do is to catch this error. But then this error is an exception. So now we are using the variable e because e makes sense. E stands for error, right? That's how you can use any variable there. All right. So here, so let's print out the error. So let's say something went wrong and print the error which is occurring there. All right, so now let's run this code and see. So as you can see, in the try catch block, it identified that this is an error arithmetically. So something went wrong with what went wrong, Java language, and this is an arithmetic exception. And this is the explanation. We can't divide by 0. But then the next code actually work because this will not cause the application to crash or get stuck there. Alright, so thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. We'll continue next time on another topic. Thank you.